Hey there, everyone. This is Barbara Ling, and this is the bonus class for the Black Friday Social SEO Leapfrog. I apologize for the technical difficulties that I was having earlier, and hopefully I'm going to be able to open your eyes to the potential of what Black Friday, profiting, and PLR can do for you. So without any further ado, let me first cough. Note to self, don't start classes without water, but these things happen, and let us begin. Alrighty, for those of you who are new to me and new to Barb Ling, well, who am I? Okay, well, I've been an online marketer now since 1997, and nowadays my specialty is authority marketing and simply making things simple. And today I am going to make product creation for you. Very, very simple indeed, and even do it for you in real time. As mentioned, I'm an authority marketer. My current business is becoming the expert of choice in any niche that you would choose. And now for this particular class, what is the aha moment? Okay, we've all heard about social SEO, right? About ranking high social signals, and that's great, and that's wonderful, and that's magnificent, but wouldn't it be great if you make money from it as well? Well, one of the easiest ways to make money from such things is either affiliate marketing, which is another class entirely, or promoting and selling your own products. And one of the easiest ways to do that, if you're nervous about doing it yourself, is using quality PLR, private label rights goodies, and templates, because combine those two and we're talking super, 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 super easy, simple stuff. So let's get some engagement going here. And I always like having in my classes true or false questions. So let us begin now with true or false. You can see if PLR is duplicated bunches and bunches online. True? Or dare I say false? And well, of course, here the answer is true. As a matter of fact, I was able to tell a product that I reviewed yesterday, I believe it was simply a compilation of PLR, outdated PLR from 2009 to be precise. An easy way to do this is anytime you have private label rights goodies, simply highlight a sentence, copy it, paste it into Google, and if it shows up 3,892 other times, yeah, it's already been used. All right, that was a simple question. Let's try another one, okay? True, or dare I say false? You can make PLR via simply clicking a few buttons, and amazingly, the answer is true. There's actually several ways. One way that I talked about here is making a PDF via Wikipedia's book creator. Another way, which I'm going to run through, it's more than simply clicking one button. It's basically highlighting, copying, and pasting. But yeah, it's pretty simple. And you're going to see that in real time too if this Google Hangout actually decides to grant me my wish and we get through the entire thing here. Alrighty, so those were really simple questions. Let's try one more time. True? Or dare I say false? Quality PLR costs more than your typical $5 thingamabobby on Fiverr or Fiverr. How do you call that anyway? I always call it Fiverr, but I digress. And the answer, of course, here is true. However, I've got great news. A, it's worth it. As a matter of fact, some of my past products, especially in the upsells, I have incorporated PLR into it. But one of the best resources and top providers in our industry, she's currently having a huge sale that instead of charging $1 per page, it's only $1 per pack. But more on that later. Let me first show you exactly how we can use all of these goodies. So without any further ado, that's my first further ado, let me tell you what we're going to learn here. Right now, what you are going to learn is you're going to learn how to take quality PLR and instantly update it and make it your own via Word documents. You can also use OpenOffice as well. These techniques apply to both. I'm going to show you how to monetize your PLR, so by adding your money link, because the fact is, no matter how much you try to prevent digital goodies from being shared, they show up on black hat sites. Honestly, I believe you really can't stop it, so hey, make money from it. I'm going to then show you a very simple way to add hyperlink table of contents, so the PLR that your customers receive, well, that is going to appear professional. Make it easy for customers to go through it. And then I'm going to show you the special PLR offer that I mentioned earlier in the last slide. So let me now tell you what you need, definitely what you need to do now, okay? I need you to silence your mobile phone. Take that sucker and put it on vibrate. Heck, put it on no alarm, or even, yes, dare I hint, turn it off. Pause your internet marketing, pause Facebook, pause Skype. Unless, of course, you'd like to say, hey, learning really great stuff from Barb Ling right now. That's always good and very much appreciated. Very important. I need you to open a notepad file, a text file, or dare I even suggest, take out a paper and pencil, because yeah, this class is packed with quality information. At the end of it, you're going to be able to walk away and say, oh my gosh, let me get on the road. I can do this. Tell your friends you're busy. Okay, everybody, yeah, it's showtime. You are busy because yes, right now it's focus time, because what I am about to show you step by step, this is literally going to change your bottom line. And now here's my promise to you already. You have to stay with me to the very end, because as always, every part of this class packed, total value to the very last minute. Yeah, you're gonna love this. You really, really, really are, because you know, right now, I can customize PLR in just a few minutes, but you know something? Who cares about that? After this class, you are gonna have the exact same ability. And then, yes, at the end, I'm going to show you that really cool sale that's going to be ending soon, but it gives you fantastic quality PLR for literally pennies on the dollar. So with that, let's begin with first things first. All right, you might say to yourself, jeepers, Barb, well, what is PLR? Private label rights. And you might think of it as, okay, well, it's a PDF, and I buy it, and it's cute, and it's adorable. And, well, yeah, private label rights. But it can be more than Barber talk. Take two. It can be more than PDFs. It can be videos. It could be images. It could be audio. It could be spreadsheets. It could be Microsoft Doc files. Anything digital that you are given permission by the creator, yeah, that can be considered PLR. Anything that you can private label it, then yeah, you can change and modify it. Now, the thing is, with PLR, when you sell your products, you're generally going to want to ship out the PDF that you create. You'll be creating your PLR based on Word documents, but if you send out Word documents, anybody can steal your work. So PDFs are what your final product generally will be. All of my products are always PDFs. All right, but you know, here's the thing, all right? Think about content now. Think about PLR that you've seen, PDF files or spreadsheets or PowerPoints or stuff like that. It consists of two things, right? You've got the content, and then you've got what you wrap the content in. Let me repeat that again, because that is hugely important. You have the content, but then you wrap it. You wrap it in a template. You can take that text, then simply apply a new template. And guess what? I'm going to show you where to get hundreds of templates for free. To give you an example, consider the slide background of this class. Okay, you see my cute little Barb Ling perking up profits coffee cup there, marketing made profitable. It's a template. Every time I make presentations, I use this template, and I simply change the content. The best news, however, is that during this class, you're going to learn and you can then follow my one simple system that's based on one simple concept. And here's what it is. When you're PLRizing, that's a word. It's in the Ling Speak Dictionary, PLRizing. You have to do it strategically, okay? So I want you now to think to yourself why you haven't been successful with PLR. Could it be that you haven't yet branded it to you? Could it be that what you are offering, you haven't yet made it unique with your own special brand of goodness? Honestly, this really is not rocket science. It's simply templates. So again, let me ask you, why haven't you been successful yet with PLR? Well, generally, most reasons is you need a system to follow. One that works easily, step by step. Simple. Make your content stand out. And again, yeah, it really is super simple. So with that out of the way as our final introduction, let us now begin with step 1. How to instantly update Word PLR. The thing that you're going to want to do, now stay with me here because I'm going to tell you what to do, and then I'm going to thoroughly crash this class by trying to switch to my other windows. Hopefully not, but we'll see. So you simply open a Word document, you insert a cover page, you can choose one that appeals to you, or you can simply search for them via templates.microsoft.com. Download the template you like the best, and then simply copy and paste the Word, the PLR Word content into that template. So with that, let's see if this is going to work. All right, I am going to screen share again. You're going to see my lovely, beautiful icon. You're not going to see my webcam because unfortunately the webcam is currently laughing at me. Then I am going to switch to Google Chrome and then to the PLR, and let's see if this puppy works. So here is my beautiful icon. Woot, there I am. All right, now let us switch to a PLR site in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Alrighty, now this is the lifetime membership from Tiffany Lambert. She has over 700 pieces of quality PLR here. And as you can see, I mean, there is just a huge amount of goodness here. Now, let's take a look at one of the bundles, okay? Like, for example, Extra Holiday Cash PLR Bundle. I have lifetime access, so I can simply click on any of these and download it. Let me show you what you get when you download it. This now comes to, we're going to open WinZip. So let's see if this works again. Icon come. Woot, there's my icon. And now find WinZip. And we're going to WinZipize in 3, 7, 1. There we go. Alrighty, when you take a look at some of the PLR here, a lot of times you'll get a .doc, a .txt. This particular bundle has articles, ebooks, pre-sale emails, reports, etc., etc. What I want to show you here is this Extra Holiday Cash ebook, .doc. Okay, you're all looking at it? Excellent, wonderful. Let's now go back to my little icon. Hello there, icon. And let us now go to opening that file. In 3, 2, 73. This is what you see when you open a PLR Word document. And you'll see it is very bare bones, right? We have the name of it. We have the subhead by your name, table of contents, and the content. And the content looks adorable, doesn't it? I mean, we're talking nice, hefty, 9,700 words, etc., etc., etc. So, okay, what are we going to do with this goodie? Well, here's what we're going to do, okay? We're going to press Control-A. That highlights everything. Then we're going to press Control-C. That copies it to your computer memory. And now we start to do the magic. We're going to select New. And we're going to search for report templates. So I'm going to search for report. And we can take a look at report templates, and oh, there's a student here. And you could also search for book or for red or green or what have you. And let's say that I want to use this business report here. It's adorable looking, right? So I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to create a document. And let's see if Google switches to it. Google does not switch to it. That is wonderful. Let's bring back my icon. Hello there, icon. Icon, icon, icon. And let's get to document 2. Do 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 do. So let's take a look at this. This is what shows up when you open that new report, and it's mighty pretty, isn't it? There we have the document title and the pretty little picture and the pick a date and the thingamabob and the whatchamacallit. Now I'm going to show you something. And I'm going to show you a beginner's mistake, but how simple it is to recover from it. So definitely pay attention here, okay? I'm going to highlight everything in where it says type the body of the report. Notice I am on page 1 of 2, okay? So I've highlighted everything, and I'm going to now press Control V and take a look at the disaster that is about to happen. All of a sudden, I zoom up to 563 pages. Why? Well, because when I pasted everything, God, where'd this go? When I pasted everything, it pasted it with a unique particular style. It's not what I wanted to do, but that's okay. I'm going to simply click Go Back. And there we're back to our little thingy here. How could you have done this to me? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to first delete this, okay? And now I'm going to press repaste it back again, so I am not pasting into something that was previously done. And take a look how cool it is. Nice, 40 pages, and the formatting is nice. We have the title over here. We have the page numbers over here, but even better, okay? I can scroll up to the top here. I could scroll up to the top here. And I could make this table of contents look much, much nicer by simply going to References, Table of Contents, Automatic Table of Contents. And see? There it is right over here. I forgot to delete the other table of contents, but that's an easy fix. I can simply just highlight it. Hit return. And look how super cool this table of contents looks, okay? All I did, again, let me walk you through this one more time. Wait, this is great. You're not seeing it, are you? I just noticed Google is not changing what it's supposed to change. Hold on. Let's go and screen share this one more time, because I know it is going to look really good. Share. I got so excited the way it looks that I didn't realize Google wasn't showing it. But do you see how really cool this is? The table of contents gets updated beautifully. Everything is formatted wonderfully. So with that, let me switch now for a second, go back to our class. There's our little icon. Hello there, little icon. Where's our little class? Class, here we go, in 3273, and we're back, okay? What I just showed you was downloading and simply copying and pasting templates, content into templates. And again, when I go back to our Google document, I'll show you how it is all changed. But take my word for it here, I now have a professionally designed new PLR report. All I did was I used a free template from Microsoft, and I used the quality PLR. And let me just walk you through the next 2 slides, and then I'll show you how to do this. To add your money link, it's very simple. First, you just need to pick what is your favorite. And well, in my case, It normally directs people back to my group, Perking Up Profits, or I might direct folks to an upsell product or something along those lines. All you do is simply go to Microsoft Word or Open Office and just click Insert Footer. And then you type in your footer, you type in your money link, and that's it. Okay, the takeaway here, always, electronic content, yeah, it's going to be shared. You can't really stop it. So what you want to do is make sure it brings new readers back to wherever is the most important for you. And I already showed you how to add the hyperlink table of contents. When you're making PLR, just make sure that each chapter uses what's called a heading 1, because that's what Word and OpenOffice use to pull in the table of contents. Then simply go to References, Table of Contents, click Insert Table of Contents, and there you go. It looks super, super professional. Now, let me go over to my document one more time. And we're going to first take a look at my adorable little icon there. Hello there, adorable little icon. And then we're going to go to our document 2. And we're going to share that once more. And we're going to see, again, you see this wonderful table of contents. That was done simply by going for References, Add Table of Contents. Let's see, if I click on it, does it show? That's going to happen? Nope, but the drop-down doesn't show. Oh, well. When you do click that, it will show you automatic table 1, automatic table 2. Very, very, very cool. Now, to click on, to add your footer, you simply go to Home, Insert, and that is not changing. So let me first click on Edit Footer, and then I will go and refresh it. Alrighty, let's switch back to my little icon. Let's switch back to my little thingamabob. Hello there, thingamabob. Where did you go? There's the thingamabob. And take a look. Notice we have the odd page footer, and notice also, I don't know if you can see it here. Nope, you can't see it there. But right now the cursor is blinking there, and I can type in and I can add whatever money link I want. So let me just quickly do that. Here is my money link. Don't worry, I'm going to refresh it shortly. Profits.com. One of the benefits also is hyperlinks generally automatically change color, which is kind of sort of cool. Oh, there's my icon. And let's go take a look at that pretty little cool thingy that we're going to share in 1 minute. See? Footer. Here's my money link. And normally what I would do is I would maybe hyperlink Perking Up Profits to my money link, and I would use some sort of compelling copy. But basically, there you go. And that is how you can easily customize PLR. So let's now go back to our class over here and get back to our sharing of wonders. Alrighty. So remember, I showed you I'd gotten this PLR from a particular site, and guess what? This person, Tiffany Lambert, who was one of the best PLR providers, she's been ghostwriting for the IM Superstars over the past years. She has a special offer going on for a rather short time. So instead of charging $1 per page, what she's offering right now is $1 per pack. Okay? So, and a pack could include 1 page, 2 page, 5 page, more pages, tremendous amount of information. So where to go to get that is http://askbling.com/yay PLR. And also, you can get the entire catalog over at askbling.com/special-wow. And that will show you all of the 700 odd PLRs that are available. Basically, what you can do here is you can invest in vouchers that go anywhere from investing in a $100 voucher down to just $5, depending upon what it is you want to get. Honestly, you simply cannot go wrong with the quality that is being offered on her last sale of the year for her PLR Mini Mart. So what your next step is? Well, first, I hope I've really excited you about how simple it is to create your own products and what you can do now. Simply visit askbeeling.com/yay PLR. And I might not have mentioned, but she also has internet marketing and also non-internet marketing goodies as well. And I'd like to now close this class with the most powerful secret that I could possibly ever give you. A lot of times, excuse me, I cough. I see on Facebook and I get emails from lots and lots of people, et cetera, et cetera. Barb, I want to make money online. I want to make things happen. The plain fact is, okay, if you want something, you and only you are the one who can bring it into existence. You have to follow the law of proaction, because if you want it, you and only you can make it happen. In other words, it is up to you to take control. So with that, I'm going to bring this class to a close. I thank you all for attending and listening. Again, the special sale is at askbeeling.com/yay PLR, and I guarantee you, you are going to love what you see. So with that, this is Barbara Ling signing off, and I will see you on the inside. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.